Nobody talks about how scary it was when the principal came to your classroom during school. Because I remember one time during class, all the students were talking, but the moment that door opened and we saw that it was the principal, the whole class immediately went silent. You would have thought she was a military leader with how scared she made everyone without even saying anything. She walked in and I was like, should I salute her or something? I don't know. But what was so funny about when the principal came to our class was our teacher would turn from the meanest person ever to the kindest. All of a sudden, someone would answer a question and the teacher would be like, good job, Anthony, you're so smart. Even though just 2 days ago, she told Anthony he's gonna be working at Walmart when he graduates. But what was really scary was when the principal would sit down next to you. Cause she sat down next to me a couple times and she would be like, what are you working on? And my hand would be shaking and I'd be like, I don't know, I was watching LeBron highlights. Then 5 minutes later, she would just vanish. I don't think my heart rate has been that high.